shoes out.
Yeah, and here we are again on the boat. Funny story, it was like 30 minutes ago I called Edu, asked that, hey, should we go for a night mission today on the boat and to catch the midnight sun? Well, here we are.
Here we are.
We're about to pick up Joa from his parents' house. They have a beautiful place by the lake, and yeah, we're trying to get the perfect midnight sun today. It's already 10 p.m. and the sun is there. You should always try random stuff, like leave and do something else, like do something not normal. I think it's good for you and me and everyone. You can enjoy these beautiful moments that otherwise you wouldn't see if you just stay at home and never go anywhere. So active is the way to go, right?
Yeah.
So this is Eetu. Joa is the guy from the last video doing double backflips from here. How about you? What will be your stunt today?
I think you're gonna see the traditional Finnish cow, naked cow flying through the air. I'm gonna jump off some cliffs, and hopefully Lassi will edit some parts off that you will not see everything.
That sounds good, because in every video I must have at least one stunt or some sort of activity. This is like one of the most plakatyyni I have seen in a while.
So there is Joa, and this is a traditional sauna lauta. I don't know what it's in English. Sauna raft.
No, it's like plakatyyni and saunalauta. Those things can't be explained in English.
Yeah, and there is Joa coming.
Yeah, and this is the only proper way if you wanna get to the boat from somewhere else than the dock. This is sitting, like this is proper. Taxi?
Yes, thank you. Sunset, please.
Yes, sunset. Perfect.
It's like a bus stop. Black Swan.
We're arriving to the Black Swan bus stop here. One moment, I
I'm gonna hit my head.
Can you make some anti-rain dance? Perfect. In about 2 hours this will be
For sure.
Let's do some jumping in the middle of the night. Yeah. Sick. We have some superfood here. Cheeseburger and chili mayonnaise. So the first mission is to chop some wood and make fire. It is time for fire. Clock is now almost 1. We played some card games here, and I think we're starting to leave towards the jumping spot. But check out this moon. It is pretty insane. I mean, have you ever seen moon like that? It's like completely red. One more game and then we leave.
Yep.
I already made my bed. It's like the captain's bed, and then we have this double bed for the boys. And they have already made it just like I have as usual. Anyways. Cabin crew ready for take. I don't know if this takeoff, but it is super bright still. And the clock is 1:30 in the morning. So now we're heading to the cliff jumping spot. and after that we will lift the drone and hopefully the lake will get smooth and we get some beautiful driving shots of the boat. Life is pretty good.
Yeah, it's time for the traditional cow. As I promised.
Now time for a 1 hour power nap and then we get the drone shots. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, look at this view. Lights out. Pew! Now we're heading to the dock, catch some sleep, 3-4 hours and back to home and end of the trip. But yeah, trip was a success. All in all, really good experience. So yeah, until next time.